Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today we're working on a Lexus NX. Now this will work on a luxury and luxury sport. We have redesigned this big ugly box and we've created a much smaller version, and I'm going to show you how to put it on the car. Let's get into it. So to install this onto the car, very easy. All you gotta do is take out the 2 factory screws. This unclips, use the same 2 screws, put it in the same spot, and you're ready for the next step. So before we get into it, I might just explain why you might wanna go down to something like this. When you get issued a plate, it looks something like this. Now this is a standard slimline plate from Victoria. As you can see, lots of excess plastic that you don't need. Some of you have personalized plates. Smaller, which is worse. It's like it kind of dwarfs the beautiful normal plate that you purchased. So what we're going to do is take this off and replace it with this. Now that we have our miniature plinth on, it's time to choose the correct bracket so you can mount on your number plate. So for example, if you're installing, say, Victorian heritage plates, grab yourself a heritage bracket that bolts onto the plinth using the screws that's already there, like that, and the plate can go on. Same thing, if you have Euro plates, get a Euro bracket, JDM plates, grab JDM brackets, and so on. We have enough to suit every plate in Australia. I'm just going to put on some normal slimlines, and I'll use my slimline brackets to get the job done. So all you gotta do, just take out the screws that are already pre-fitted. You can align any of these slots to any of these mounting points on the miniature plinth. Just find the height that you want, put the bolt in, and the plates can bolt on using the corners. That's how you get rid of the big oversized mounting box. Get a nice clean finish like this. Now just remember, the plinth is car specific and the bracket is number plate specific, and the 2 parts together, you get a finish like this. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.